Yeah, what's up, my guys? So, welcome to FOREX, the channel person into the financial market. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, that person notification. So, each time I post a video, YouTube can easily get you notified, and you to also redirect others who are new into this video. So, without wasting much of your time, we all know that every weekend, we all took ourselves back to how we started the week, how the chart went, how our day went through trading for the week. So this is another episode of chart pattern breakdown. So please don't forget to watch this video to the end. Without me wasting much of your time, let's quickly go to how our day went for trading EURUSD, SAUSD, GBP USD. Then for those who understand, EU means Euro against pound, GU mean pounds against dollar, SCUSD mean gold against dollar. So if you are looking for a community way to trade, please don't forget to join our Telegram channel where we share free signal and trading ideology. So if you're looking for the place to learn forex for free, you're on the right track. Starting with Pro Forex Academy, you are on a right track. So let's go. So I take it to the mid chart. So I won't be explaining right from the onset, right from how everything went trading. So here was our trade. So first thing when we wake up, first thing in the morning is I look out for I look out for section break. What are those section breaks? Like when trade chart have been broken out. So you look for the high of the week, the low of the week to determine our overall trend. So that is how. So when I wake up, I go straight to this search icon here. I toggle on this section break. So when I toggle on the section break, that means first thing Monday. First thing Monday morning. As you can see, this is 20. This is 2022. Here is this first candle and the second candle. So the first candle it was higher than the second one. So you can see this is the high of the week, this is the low on the week. Let me remind you that if the third candle breaks below the low of the week or closes below the week, we'll be expecting more of sell for that week. So if it close above the week, we'll be expecting more of buy for that week. So what do we see? We saw that it closed below with this long weak rejection, with this long bearish candle movement. So let me quickly go and click off it so you understand the chart will be zigzag. So then I come to 1 hour. Why am I doing this? Is I'm doing top down analysis. In other words, to make me understand the chart like how it was in the 4 hours, how it was in the 1 hour, and I will not take my entry from the 15 minutes time frame. So come to the 15 minutes time frame, yeah. Come to the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, we saw this week rejection first thing Monday morning. So immediately this candle waits to this zone. Yeah, you can see I always mark my zone. Why do I do my zone? Is because I want to, even though I close out or there's only thing, I will remember that I took trade. Yeah. So then we went in. So when I saw this first rejection, I had to pull up. I quickly close out. Why do I click close out was I was expecting the price to tank to reject because fundamentally the DSO, which is the dollar index, is fucking weak. So I was expecting it to happen nevertheless. So that was how we traded. Then immediately come to this zone here because this was a psychological level of 1.11500, and this was my low of the week. So I took a sell from this here. So I break even. Then the candle wouldn't break even. It breaks our trade even. If you're not trading with us, I guess you can go to our Telegram channel and see how we traded this signal. Or if you're not following us on Instagram, the link will be dropped below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and on Twitter. Don't forget to full of peace. And then we drop again. And I use this trend line. Trend line normally is mainly used to determine the trend of the market. If it is going up, if it is coming down, or if it is rejecting. So then I pull out this trend line. So after we break out, then I pull out this trend line. So this green line is a damn resistant level that happened last week is happening. So that was why I use this green line to demarcate it. And if you can see, it is on a 3P XL. That means the length, so it will be V shape or more. Not look like a trend line or they are a lot of week. Then when it comes to this zone here, so we all see the first touch, this second touch. I remember vividly that I wanted to entry here because I was waiting for price to push up a little bit to confirm the M and W pattern. So as you can see, these are our notes here. So we're talking more on the M and the W pattern there. So then we have to, I wanted to take a buy here because I was expecting him to come to this zone, then immediately push up away from there sell because I was expecting price to drop drastically. So this was the zone. Yeah, so what's up, my guys? That was how trading Euro USD for the weekend. So let's quickly go to GBP USD. Okay, this one is USD. Sorry. So we all know that first thing. We all know that first thing is on the money. We're talking on the section break. Then after the section break, we determine our high and low of the week. Then after that, we trade continues. So then go to the forward. Let me take you to the forward time frame because this is on top-down analysis. Then talking about top-down analysis, you have to go from the daily to the 4 hour, to the 1 hour, to your 15. If you are a scalper, to your 5 minute. If you are a day trader, to your 15 minute. If you are a swing trader, to your 1 hour, your 4 hour, before you took your entry. So this is how it is. Then you can see this black line determine my high and low of the week. So immediately, as you can see, immediately it brings above the third candle brings. Maybe the third candle brings above the high of the week. Yeah, we have more of buy, but you can put this on yourself to go and back test it because learning something or hearing something, you have to test it and approve if it is. Because learning it and you testing it will make you add your own understanding, you will impart more on it. That's what I call strategy reorganize. So let's go. On 15 minutes time frame, I will only be taking how to take the trend. So on the 15 minutes time frame, on the 15 minutes time, so you can see that immediately come to this zone, turn down, it breaks out, it reaches, it breaks out. Then immediately come to this zone, this was on Tuesday. So we have to buy. As you can see, this is the line. Why do I buy? Because of the psychological level, and gold has been edging up massively for a month now. So then we bought from here. Then when it went to uptown, you just go straight. You know, don't have to be greedy, you just have to take your piece here. If it eats minimum of 1 to 2, 1 to 3, you're out. You don't care what the market will bring some time. 1 to 1 say you are out. Because you don't want your profits, your trading on the company to turn to losses. So you have to cut your brain and leave the market. That is how the big boys, the banks, the Federal Reserve, that is how they trade theirs. So let's quickly come to the zone here. Let me come to the zone. So when you come to the psychological level, I have to buy. So as you can see, this was on Wednesday. So it tank. You know, I remember this one, there was a pending order here. I said all that because I just did analysis and then the market pending order. A trader, it can then close out from this zone. Then the next day it went up. So this was This was on Thursday. Because after the news, I was seeing something like rejection was happening on the market. Then here was a form of the new pattern. And a lot this week I've taken a lot of wow, then I have to take an advantage and take my profits when you went to the psychological level before now coming down. So lastly, for this week, so just an analysis I do. I remember vividly it was 10:28 on Friday, 10:15. So that is about 6 a.m. So that was why I did the analysis. Here was when I would have taken an entry. I just left it because the volatility was scary. The news, everything was scary. So I have to I have to leave gold. And I guess I blew one of my accounts on trading GBP because I never, I'm sorry, it's not professional. I know I messed up. I never check the lot size. Immediately I just change account from my profile account to my main people account. I don't even check, I just tap it and guess what? 0.30 in $50 account. So what you feel immediately like just it's simply just to hold me down. I was so possible. I've not managed to reach them and blow that account. So it is what it is. So let's go to USD, GBP So same thing, determine your high low of the week, then your psychological level, your trade line, your 15 minutes moving average apply to always low. So someone was asking me here, what are these lines made for? The green line here determine the psychological level, whole number, random number. Why the black, the green line, just mean like the black line is used to determine how we and the green line is used to determine some potential zones I have to pay an attention to. Because if I didn't back them out, I will messed up. Mhm. So we are concerned. So immediately we breached down. I wanted to sell. I left it. I know buy. So I came here, I sold, my stop loss got it. So the retract got to the zone. I wanted it to push it a little bit so it can give me more confirmation. I could have more confidence to buy because it was on a challenge account. So it could not come. Then immediately I saw this break and retest. If you understand break and retest, it breaks out and it retest this particular zone. I have to buy. That is another form to those who trade support and resistance. They say support and resistance acting as support. So I have to buy from say it's our TP closer. Immediately come back to the zone again. I still have to buy, but unfortunately, immediately I closed on the news that happened. We went to the zone, we test this trade line, then it came back. It was going. I wanted to buy from him, but you can't take everything, you get the gist. So I just have to let everything, I do have to let everything go. I do have to let every I just have to let every damn thing go. So that was I did this is on the last trade retreat on GBP USD. So immediately we come to that zone. Immediately come to that zone, yeah. Immediately come to, immediately immediately come to that zone. Uh, Immediately come to this zone. I have took an entry and I close out. So this was how our day went. So this was so this was So this was how our day went trading GBP USD. So as you can see, if you're not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and that turns on notification. So what are you expecting for the next week? I'm expecting GBP, DSY to get weak because as we get closer to the United States of America election, so we're expecting the DSY to get weak, just more. So I wish you all the best trading. I wish you all the best for the forthcoming week, and I wish you make more profits. So don't forget to subscribe. This is FOREX trading.